Okay, here we're just going to use the calculator. Find ln 42.6 to 4 decimal places. So ln, looking for ln, use the calculator. So basically it's second log, which is your ln button. Then you're going to type in the 42.6, enter, and we know that this is what it's going to equal. So let's go ahead and just show you on the actual calculator. Let's turn it on. Second log, which is ln. Wait a minute. Sorry. Oh, there's actually an ln button on the calculator. So don't even ignore that. You don't have to do second log. It's just ln, all right, of 42.6. I can close the parentheses. Did I do that on the calculator? Oh, wow. I didn't realize that. Sorry about that. Oops. Let's exit here. Let's kind of clear that out of there to show you. Let me show you this all right here. What have I got happening? There we go. ln, my calculator, 42.6, close the parentheses. You don't enter 3.7519. Pretty cool. So you don't even need the second log. Even I've learned some things here. I was doing these at home without a calculator. So, so there's that one there. Let's go to our next problem because it's kind of the same thing. It's the log 5, this 5/16x here. You'll use alpha window option 5 to change the base. So what I'm going to do is go back to my calculator, and this time I'm just going to hit alpha window option 5, and notice I have this nice change of base. I can put a 5 here. I'm going to arrow over and put that 15,625 and hit enter automatically with the calculator, and the answer is 6. Makes that one really nice too. All right. Let's see if I can get away with this. Here's the next problem. Okay. Now technically, if we simplify this expression, you can just cross these out because the way this means 7 to the what power equals 4. Well, whatever I get for my answer, I want to take 7 to that power, so guess what I'm going to get? 4. You can cross that out, but if you don't remember that, you could do this here. You go to your calculator, you can hit 7, put yourself up in the exponent. Now do your alpha window, option 5 here, put a 7, arrow over and put a 4, enter, and type it in, you still get the same answer. Which I think is kind of funny that we're putting problems in like that where you can get the same answer anyway. Go to the next one here. And back to my calculator. Now let's work it out. This is the same thing as moving the 2 in front, which is what I did right here. Also, 1/3 is the same as 3 to the -1. I could then move that exponent out in front, which means I have -1 times 2 log 3. Well, -1 times 2 is -2. And guess what? 3 to the what power equals 3? The answer is 1. That's one of our properties. So -2 times 1 makes the answer what? -2. So, but what are most of us going to do? We're probably going to go to our calculator, all right, which will be on this next screen right here. Whoops, I guess it's not. Go back here, and I'm going to do my calculator, and I'm just going to do this here. I'm going to do alpha window option 5. And what I'm going to type in, I'm going to type in the 3. And now I need to arrow over, and what I'm going to have to do is this. I'm going to want to make another parentheses for this 1 divided by 3. Now I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to do my alpha y equals, I can keep it in the parentheses. And I'm going to do this 1 divided by 3. Whoops. Take that back. I need to delete, because I've got it in this format. I need to do 1 divided by 3 like that. I want to arrow out of the first parentheses here, hit my x squared button. Oh, this is not going to work. Let me clear this out. So it's not going to work on this one right here because I have too many parentheses are not quite right. So there we go. I add it right there. Let's see if that works. Now I thought I might get that to go 2 errors. Let's try this again. Alpha window option 5. And this time I'm going to do it this way. 3. I'm going to go ahead and do the parentheses. 1 divided by 3.
Arial Martinez. Martinez to the library, please.
Parentheses.
Ariel
And
Martinez
now
to
I'm
the
going to do
library.
that squared like that. So now it's all in the parentheses like I needed. I guess when I did that little alpha window, I took one
Stephen
of the
Dow to
parentheses
the
out.
library, please. Stephen Dow to the library.
All right. So, and there we go. I got the same answer of -2 right there. All right. Those are our problems with these all.